All right, you guys are finding a box and whisker plot. We're going to give you a range of values, data points. You want to first put them in order, smallest to largest. Guys, just take a nap for a moment. Or listen. Okay, all right, so look, you want them from smallest to greatest. So this part's the easy part. We got 25, 28, 2 29s, 30, a 34, 2 35s, a 37, and a 38. Okay, all right, look, so your number line, do you need this, the Rancho Remember sheet, Brandon? Yeah, you didn't come for it.
My anatomy teacher told me in Coulter. Hey.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I believe I counted correctly, 25 to 38. Okay, so you're gonna have an end dot to show your low and your high. Okay? All right, so that's our range, 25 to 38. And so what is 38 minus 25?
Let me go for, wait. I don't know, wait. No, it's something.
First year as a teenager, yes, 13. Okay, so your range is 13, right?
I have that.
Okay, so now you guys gonna give me your median, the median values. So what is the median, which is your middle number? So if you're at 25 and 38, okay, so if I start moving in, move in 1, move in 1, move in 1. Okay, what happens if your middle is 2 values? What do? If you're
Mine, no.
yes, okay. So if my middle is 2 numbers, because you have an even number of values, remember, if you have an odd number of values, you'll land on one specific value. But if you have an even number of values, you're going to land in between 2. So you're going to take the average. What's 30 plus 34 divided by 2? What's 64 divided by 2? 32. And so 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, this is considered quartile 2. We're going to put a line there. Okay? Okay, now you got to now give me the median between, so here's my median, 32. Give me the median, the left median, and give me the right median. And that'll give you quartile 1, and then the right will give you quartile 3. So you have to find 3 medians. Okay, so from here, what's the middle number? 25 and 30, go in 1, 29? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so quartile 2 is at 29. 26, 27, 28, 29. So this is quartile 2, and now find quartile 3. Move it in. 35, 32, 33, 34, 35 is quartile 3. And so this is considered your box and whisker plot. Okay, here it doesn't look like you're looking at it and you're like, I don't see the importance of it. I don't see what the significance of quartile 1 and quartile 3 is. If you guys go to stats, AP stats, more stats I think than AP stats. When you start looking at box and whisker plots, you'll see that this quartile 1 to quartile 2 area, it could become really narrow. So what I mean is, say you look at, whoops, and you see this, and this is your median, this is quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and so what that's telling you is that there's a big leap in values from your minimum to your median, and there's a lot of values, it's heavily valued from quartile 2 to the end, to the max. Okay, so your box and whisker isn't always going to look kind of even spaced as this. It can look like that. It can shift however. Okay, so you guys go to statistics next year. For those of you that signed up for stats, you'll go over more of these, but essentially what you're really looking at are medians. You find the median 3 times. You find your true median, which is the middle value for your high and low, and then once you find your median, you find your left median and you find your right median, and that's what this quartile 2, quartile 3 box is. Okay, that's what forms your rectangle. Did you guys do this in middle school? Any of you? You did? What grade? 7th? But were you in Zoom?
Yeah.
Yeah, so, maybe that's why they kind of introduced it just a bit. Because some of you, it looks like most of you didn't have it. Okay, so what you're going to is on this page 6, where it says 5, create a box plot, and then 6, what measure of central tendency stands out? It's the median, you guys. You're really looking at medians is what you're looking at, because when you see it, that's your middle value, that's the value, your left middle value, and that's your right middle value. Okay, and then of course your range, your high to low. Okay. So you're doing 5, you're creating a box plot with these values here. And then on Friday, you had to do 3 and 4, I believe, right? Okay, so let me stop this.